Hello guys, welcome back to Lindy Vanner. Welcome to Inside the Van. Today we're going to be fitting some LED strip lights underneath our kitchen shelf. Stay tuned. Hello guys, yes, thanks again for joining. Please hit subscribe, thanks very much. In today's video I'm going to be fitting these LED strip lights. They're sticky back and they're going to stick underneath the shelf behind this lip. I'm very interested to use these. I've never used them before. I don't know how good they are, but you can snip them with a pair of scissors or cut them with a knife every 3 LEDs, so you can cut it as long as you want it to be. Along with that, you can use these connectors to clip onto wherever you cut along the LED strip. So I think I've got 3 meters of LED strip lighting here, and I've got 5 connectors. So I can have up to 5 lengths of this LED strip light anywhere in the van. One is going to be under here, and then I'm going to put a couple underneath the shelving in the bedroom later. Along with that, I need some cabling as well. This is very low ampage cable. I think 11 amps, so it's more than sufficient. And also I've got these little finger switches so that we can switch on and off the strip lighting. I just want to note these switches I've bought are actually without an LED, so there's not an LED shining constantly, which is really annoying. We have enough trouble with the diesel heater and the solar charge controller illuminating the whole van at night time, so yeah, we didn't want that with more LEDs blinking around the van. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fit these LED strip lights. They're very simple. I've not actually done them before, but I've seen other people do them, so yeah, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so I've snipped my bit of LED strip light and connected it into one of these connectors. Hopefully you can see there. It's very simple to do. I bought all these parts off Amazon and eBay. I'll link them in the description below for you. And I'm just going to double check that they do work. I've not connected them up to any power yet. And I've got my fuse board up here with some exposed terminals. So I'm just going to touch on the positive and negative and see if they work. So I'm going to continue with these. I need to grab my crimps and stick some connectors on these, extend the cables with what I've got here, and wire it into a switch and into the fuse board. Okay guys, just quickly, you can see here where I've put through the red part of the cable and the black part of the cable. I've not connected it up yet, I don't want it to be live yet, but I've just coiled it around each other so it doesn't pull back through. The positive's going to go on this one, it's going to have a new fuse, and the negative, unfortunately I lost the screw out of this, so I'm going to put it on another negative bar there. It will be no different, it's still all along the same bar. So yep, that's where I'm at. And the other end of that cable is just here, and I'm about to strip this down and then strip down each end, connect it to the switch and also to the end of the lights. Okay guys, well as you can see I've now wired it all up. I've decided to put 2 lengths of the strip light underneath the shelf just to make it a bit brighter. I had to move the controller for the diesel heater along a bit because I'll probably have it around there somewhere, because I wanted this switch to be the first thing that's accessible. Hopefully we won't see those holes after we're done. But now I'm about to connect up those cables to this fuse board. Okay guys, so I've just sussed out why they were so dim. There wasn't actually a fuse up there in the fuse board. So I don't know how they were getting any power at all, but they were regardless. Anyway, these are very bright now and they illuminate the kitchen area very well. I'm now going to stick them underneath this shelf and we should be done. Okay guys, that's it, just about done. You can see the lights obviously make a huge difference in the kitchen area, and yeah, another addition to the van completed. Thanks again for watching the video guys. Please like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. Over and out.